We're here at Collegetown Court to take a look at studio apartment 402. Before we go in, I want to show you the position of this apartment on the floor. We've come down to the front of the hallway from the elevator, which is at that far end of the hallway there. And 402 is towards the front of the building. You can see there are a set of doors here near each other. 402 is on the left, 401, 400, and then next to it on the right is 410. 410 is directly across from 402, and that's a matching apartment to 402. They are mirror images of each other, so they have the same layout and the same style and configuration. They're just facing opposite directions. The number 10 line faces to the west. This number 2 line faces to the east. Let's go on into the apartment, and you can see we enter through the kitchen as we do in most of the studio apartments here in the building. And there's the refrigerator, there's the microwave, the sink, the stove and oven. We've got cabinets. There's a drawer over here, right over here. So great storage space here in this apartment. As we go on into the apartment, let's take a look. We'll always have that assorted furnishings. There's a table and chair, there's a bookshelf, a desk and chair, the dresser is over here, and the full-size bed. You can see the air conditioner in that left window. The studio apartments in this building will all have an AC, and we've got a nice bright east-facing window, so this is especially great in the mornings. You're definitely going to get bright morning light here on the east side of the building. We're looking up Dryden Road. We are in the center of Collegetown, just steps away from that main intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. We're in apartment 402. This is a 5-floor building. There is an elevator. This apartment is the same on floors 2 through 5, the same layout, the same position within the building. And again, this building is located at 208 Dryden Road. These last 2 doors are the closet and the bathroom. I want to show you the closet in this apartment. And again, this will be the same in apartment 10 because this is a mirror image. This is going to be the largest closet that we have in the studio apartments here in Collegetown Court. So you do get a little bit more closet space. So that's something to consider. If you have extra clothes, you want to consider this number 2 or number 10 style. Let's take a look at the bathroom. I also like the bathroom here in this apartment. I think it's one of the larger bathrooms in the studios here in Collegetown Court. You can see we've got the standing tub shower, the vanity with the shelf all the way across it, the toilet, and there's a cabinet over on the wall to the right. So that's a look at the bathroom. It's a good bathroom, a large bathroom, a large closet. So that's a look at Collegetown Court, apartment 402. So this is the same model of apartment, the 02, on floors 2 through 5 here in Collegetown Court in this 5-floor elevator building. The building is located at 208 Dryden Road. We are in central Collegetown, and we're just 1 block from campus.